Futurecast.
Well, we still have some lingering rain showers to get through around here. Let's take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Notice we have the green showing up across the eastern two-thirds of the viewing area from Providence into Woonsocket and out here into eastern Massachusetts, down to places like Newport, Little Compton, starting to dry out in our western suburbs towards Westerly. And once we get through these showers over the next 45 minutes to an hour, the showers very few and far between throughout the rest of the afternoon and the evening. But still kind of a mess out there with the slush, the snow and the sleet from earlier. A lot of your windshields still looking like this. And as we take a look at things from Pasco, further up to the north, you can see the snow and sleet on the ground. Right now, the rain coming down on top of that, and we'll keep you in the medium category throughout the rest of the afternoon, primarily just because we do have some travel impacts with the slush and the rain creating the messy and sloppy roads this evening and overnight. We'll keep an eye on this for you. Right now, I'm going to put you in the low category. The only reason we would have to adjust to the medium category is if temperatures cooled off quickly and then a lot of the slush and the liquid on the roads started to freeze. Right now, I don't see that happening, at least in the short term. 36 right now in Smithfield, 37 Providence, 43 Westerly, 42 in Newport. Nice to see all of these readings above freezing. We do have some breezy conditions coming in from the northeast, so not that pleasant to be outside right now. Breezes of 13 miles an hour in Providence, 12 miles an hour in Newport. Boston, a gust off of the water at 21 miles an hour. Not that pleasant. Now, we appear to be on the mild side of the system. Notice how we have the rain represented by the green and the colder part of the system represented by the pink and the blue with the mixed precipitation. However, sometimes with systems in this path, they move out and then the wind kind of comes in behind it, drives that cold air in from the north towards our viewing area. So that's something we'll watch carefully. I'm pretty confident, and most of our computers support this, that we stay above freezing enough during the evening commute right after sunset to where we do not get a flash freeze, but we'll watch that just in case. Stay tuned online, and TJ will have another update this evening. Overnight, all right, let's say that you have a pile of slush on your walk, you just don't feel like moving it away. Well, if you're in Smithfield, that could actually freeze up overnight into early tomorrow morning, so just be mindful of that. Other areas like Westerly, Newport may not quite get below freezing. Providence, you will be borderline, and then tomorrow afternoon we warm things back up into the 40s. In terms of the rain, it departs for the most part this evening. Some lingering showers and pockets of drizzle, that would be about it. And then tomorrow we hold on to the dry weather during the day, and then during the evening we bring in some showers. In fact, you can see that as we pull out this more detailed information, where we'll see those showers overnight Wednesday into the early hours of Thursday. But most of Thursday, which of course is New Year's Eve, looks like it's rain-free, and it looks like a dry New Year's Eve night. Temperatures in the 30s. Not too bad for New Year's Eve. Kind of festive looking, right? Now on New Year's Day, temperatures typical, actually a little warmer than normal, but more December-like, that's for sure. Or January-like, I should say. Friday is the first day of January. Happy New Year. 42 is your temperature. And then on Saturday and Sunday, upper 30s with a mix of sun and clouds and blustery conditions. So you can see that more winter-like weather sliding back in towards the end of the week and the weekends. And nice to see, at least for now, a dry-looking New Year's Eve. Of course, if you want to take the forecast with you, you can download it to your brand new mobile device, right? You got a new one for Christmas, hopefully?
Oh, several of them, right?
All right. Well, don't forget about our app. You can download that from WPRI.com, and a lot of colors showing up on your iPhone today if you are using our app because of all the different kinds of precipitation that we're falling. Again, this was not a big deal in terms of, the snowfall amounts. It was just the mess and the ice that it created on the roads.
And I will say I have the Pinpoint weather app, of course, and it was the first thing I checked when I got up this morning because I heard the ice on my window.
You are very good about using the app.
I use it all the time.
Yes, you do.
Big fan. All right, Pete, thanks so much. Let's take a look at what we are working on.